What's the letter A?
Very good. How about the letter B? Very good. Where's the letter C? C for cat. There, very good. How about the letter D? D. Very good. Letter E. Wow, how about the letter F? F. Where's the letter F? Come on, you can do it. F. Where's the letter F?
F. F. F.
F. F. F.
F for flower.
Just in front of you.
What's the letter F? F.
Can you get the letter F?
Get the letter F.
Very good. How about the letter G?
G.
Very good. H. H.
H. Just above the letter G. H.
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 Very good. I. I.
Yeah, where's the letter I? Point to the letter I.
Get the letter I, baby. There.
Come on, come on.
I. Where's the letter I? I.
I. Come on, point to the letter I.
Very good. J. Where's the letter J? Very good. Very good, baby. Jump. J for jump. Very good. K.
K.
Where's the letter K? K. Point to the letter K. Where's the letter K?
What's the letter K, baby?
Very good. L. L. Where's the letter L? L.
Where's the letter L?
Get the letter L, come on. That's L for Lexi. Where's the letter L? No. Wrong. Where's the letter L? Just in front of you.
There, letter L.
L. L. Where's the letter L? Come on. Show me the letter L. L.
L.
L.
It's not facing her, that's why she can't recognize it. Where's the letter L? Can you show me the letter L, baby?
Where's the letter L?
L.
Where's the letter L? Oh.
Come on, baby. Where's the letter L?
Where is the letter L?
Is that the letter L? That's good. M.
M.
M. For mama. Very good. N. N. N for necklace. Necklace. Okay. Okay, that could be. O. Where's the letter O?
Oh, where's the letter O? Come on.
What's the letter O?
O. Where's the
Where's
letter
your
O?
Come on.
No.
O.
Oh.
Where's the letter O? Uh-oh.
Baby. There. There's the letter O.
Very good. P. How about the letter P? P. There you go. That's so good. Q. Where's the letter Q? Very good. How about the letter R?
Alright.
Very good. S. Where's the letter S? Go ahead. Look for the letter S.
Come on, where's the letter S?
Let's see. Letter S for smile.
Come on.
Let's see.
Where's the letter S? Come on.
Where's
Or
the
get
letter S?
Get the letter
S.
Come on.
S. S.
Letter S.
Where's the letter S? Come on, you can do it.
Okay, get the letter S. Come on. Give to tatay.
Give to tatay the letter S. S. Very good. T. Where's the letter T? T.
Where's the letter T?
There you go. U. 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 V. Where's the letter V? W. Where's the letter W? W. Where's the letter W?
There.
There you go. X.
Where's the letter X?
X. There. Y. How about the Y? Very good. Now, where's the letter Z? Z. Very good. She's done with her ABCs from A
look
to
at Nanay.
Z.
Look at Nanay and do an angry face. Come on.
Oh,
Smile,
that's
smile,
so
smile.
angry. Baby, how about the smile?
Smile.
Smile.
La, 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 la.
Show me your doll. Show me your doll. Where's your doll? Where's your baby doll?
Where's your baby doll?
Come on. Give me your baby doll. Where's your baby? It's time for milk.
Where's your baby? Come on. Where's baby? Let's see.
She's done with her ABC.
Okay, done with the ABCs.
Bye.
Next would
Bye.
be
Next would be
algebra.
algebra. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.
Wave your hand. Come on, wave your hand.
There's your baby. Oh.
Bye.